So, ayun na nga, nakuha na natin yung package natin galing LBC. Bagong cards na 4 keeps. Parehas 2-time MVP. Parehas naging finals MVP. 4-time champion yung isa. And yung isa, 1-time champion. Na sana more to come. Yan. Kita nyo na, Giannis Antetokounmpo at Steph Curry. Yan. Medyo mahirap buksan. Yan. Ayun. Ahira rin. Yan. Giannis Antetokounmpo na game-worn jersey. Number 299. And Steph Curry na game-worn jersey na Monarch.